Hello and good day. This is the pushing point tip number 17. Deadly emotions. Are you being held back by your past traumas? We talked about this in an earlier tip. You have to breathe. Release that energy. Talk to someone. Get it out. Don't let those deadly emotions hold you back from being who you're meant to be. It was a moment. Don't make it a lifetime. Don't let it affect you for the rest of your life. I have other tips that can help you get through these moments in your life. Just make sure that if you need help from a professional, seek it. Sometimes we're told, oh, you're crazy because you have to see a counselor. No, you're not crazy. It wasn't your fault. You did go through those things. Deadly emotions can cause so much stress, so much trauma to the body. Pressure can bust a pipe. Stress is pressure. So you wonder why you always have a headache, or you always don't feel well, or you're coming with these diseases. That's stress in your life from deadly emotions. Release it. And that is my pushing point for today. Enjoy the rest of your day.